Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. Today's recipe is beef ceviche. Here is the ingredient list for the recipe, and you can also find it in the description section under the video. To start, I will cut the cilantro, and then I will cut the laksa leaves. Some of you might recognize it as Vietnamese coriander. And with the mini bell peppers, I will take out the seeds and dice them into small cubes. Now that I'm done with all of these veggies, next step is to dice the shallot, cut the chilies, and chop up the collards. Put them all into a bowl and go for the lemongrass. Cut the lemongrass and then mince them. Here comes the main ingredient. I'm using the beef eye round, but if you have the beef stripe loin steak, it would be perfect. Cut the beef as thin as you possibly can. The tip is to keep the meat in the freezer for 1 hour or a little longer before cutting will help a lot. Last thing is to cut the limes. Cut however you want as long as you find it more easy to squeeze the juice out. Squeeze the lime juice directly to the beef and enough to cover all the meat. You may need more than 4 or 5 limes depending on how juicy your limes are. Make sure to save some for the sauce later on. Mix well so all the pieces are absorbed with the lime juice. Cover and let it soak for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's roast the lemongrass in a hot pan. When the minced lemongrass is started to dehydrate, add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Stir until it's all bubbling. Then pour the whole thing into the spice ingredients bowl. Give it a good mix before adding the seasoning. I will need 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. Half tablespoon of mushroom seasoning. Half tablespoon of sugar. Half tablespoon of chili powder. And half tablespoon of black pepper. Squeeze in the lime juice. Okay, I'm done with the sauce. Let's check on the meat. The color turned light pink and pale, which is good. It's ready. Give it a quick massage by squeezing and releasing the meat over and over for a minute. Then squeeze out the juice from beef. Let's separate all the pieces really well. It's time to add in the chopped mini bell pepper along with the herbal leaves. Mix everything together. Now come to the final step. Pour in the dressing sauce and continue to mix everything together evenly. That's it. Looks delicious, isn't it? I'm drooling right now. Present on a plate, add some crushed peanut on top, and voila! Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like my cooking and my video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and remember to push the bell for notification. That way you won't miss any of my new recipe. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye!